Hello, this is Joan Navard, and for this special edition, let me tell you a story about a mermaid who lived by the sea. Her name is Mermelina. This is Mermelina, the heroine of our story. And that one over there is Debbie, her cousin. Mermelina has a problem. She cannot speak. She cannot speak. Something is lodged in her throat. And she needs someone to help her. This is Julio, our leading man.
Hi, is this live? Oh, okay. Hi.
As you can see, Julio is hot.
Ladies.
Hot! You're hot, Julio.
Yeah,
Nom 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 nom.
I'm hot.
Yum yum yum.
Yeah. Hey, girl.
Here comes his best friend, Zek.
Oh, hello there.
And one day, Zek and Julio were walking down the beach.
Yeah.
Holding eggs.
And they saw a mermaid.
What? Oh!
So they approached the mermaid who cannot speak.
Oh! Oh, PQRST.
They introduced themselves to the mermaid, and the mermaid wanted help. Julio instantly fell in love at first sight. And the mermaid, she looked at Julio and she doesn't seem interested. And Zek, he wanted to help the mermaid.
No entienden.
She cannot speak. Something is in her throat. Julio is the knight in shining armor.
How can I help you? You are a big tuna. Wait, wait.
What is that, Julio?
What the F? Is this a bad coconut? Look.
It's plastic. Oh!
Oh my
PQRST.
How can I
Plastic! So the mermaid can now speak. Now, mermaid has to choose for a prince that will take her to her kingdom by the sea.
How can I choose? Paano?
Sino yung mga choice? Ini,
Mini.
mini, miny, mo. Take the fisherman by the, you know. And the winner is
Tibor Show.
Tibor Show. This is Tibor Show. And he's the choice of our mermaid.
Mermaids.
Mermelina has to do something so that he can bring his new prince to her kingdom by the sea. They have to kiss.
Tapos nag-kiss na nagbiluan and then
Kiss.
Kiss.
Kiss. Ding! And something magical happened because of that kiss. Ching! Hats away! And Tibor is now the mermaid. Happy si Mermelina! And Julio and Zek come to the rescue.
Oh!
Killa win.
Killa win.
Let's grab it.
Let's go. Oh, PQRST.
Ah! And they lived happily ever after. The
Long
end.
live.
Live long, love long. This is Jonathan at Danjugan and the cast of characters. Take a bow, cast of characters. Mermelina, Army as Mermelina, Julius as Julio, Zacharias as Zek, and Tibor as the new mermaid. Yay! Bow!
Wow.